Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact chat where the live location is active. This is critical because stopping location sharing happens in chat. Once in the conversation, locate the live location message card and tap it to reveal options. Make sure you're on the correct account if you use multiple numbers. If the card doesn't appear, check recent or pinned chats. After tapping the card, you'll see a screen with sharing controls and the option to stop sharing right away. Once the live location screen is open, you'll see details like how long it's been shared and who can see it. This context helps you confirm you're stopping the right stream. Tap the Stop Sharing button or the Stop icon. This is usually prominent to prevent accidental continuation. After you tap it, WhatsApp asks for confirmation, accept to end sharing immediately. This terminates location updates to all recipients in that chat, so you don't need to remove each person individually. Finally, verify that sharing actually stopped by looking for the live location card to disappear or show a stopped label. That visual confirmation is your cue that you're done. If it still appears active, force close WhatsApp, reopen, and double-check. Make sure your phone's location permission for WhatsApp is not set to always if you prefer tighter control. If problems persist, restart your phone and repeat the stop sharing step. This clears background services that might still report location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.